Hey, what is up guys? I'm Arjun and in this video I'll be reviewing this. This is not an egg, it's the Realme Buds Air 3. Well, I have been using this for over 4 months now and I have a few things to say. The Realme Buds Air 3 was released last year, like 2022, and it's been almost a year now, so Realme might come up with a new version of this, the Realme Buds Air 4. But anyways, for the price you're getting a lot here, and I seriously meant that. Also, there are some compromises that Realme has made to give this much features at this price range, so watch till the end to find out. Let me just quickly refresh you with the specifications of this product. This has a 10mm driver, Bluetooth 5.2, IPX5 water resistance, low latency up to 88 milliseconds, dual device connectivity, in-ear detection, touch gestures, Google Fastpair support, you name it, it has everything. And the most highlight feature is 42 decibels of active noise cancellation and a transparency mode. For the price, you're getting a lot of ANC here, that's for sure. Now coming back to the review, let's start with the build quality. The build quality is one compromise that I've noticed, and it's just okay. Like I said, you can't ask for more because you're getting a lot other things here. The main issue I noticed here is with the hinge. Like almost after 1 month of usage, the hinge started to become loose. The hinge is flimsy, okay. So that is one issue that I noticed. And rest of the case is fine. Talking about the design of this product, I am in love with this product. I'll start talking about the case itself. The color I have is a white variant. It is a glossy white. The whole case is glossy and there's a glossy logo over here. It has a charging LED indicator at the center of the case and a pairing button towards the side. Shape of the case, this egg-like, or you can call it a soap, used soap-like shape. It's very convenient to put in our this tiny pocket of our jeans. It's very convenient to get it in and out. I am really liking that shape. Then let me just take out the buds real quick. And this bud is also white. It has a white body and a silver stem. And the Realme Buds Air 3 has definitely improved the stem because the stem size has been reduced when compared to the Realme Buds Air 2. It sits flush with your ear and it's very comfortable for long usage. I never felt any itching or issues like almost 2-3 hours of usage. So it's very comfortable for long use. But for me, it tends to slip out of my ears. I have to occasionally press it in after 30 minutes or so. So that is one thing to note here, but it's a personal thing. I don't know if it will be the same for you guys, but anyway, just keep that in mind. Now let's talk about the sound quality. Like I said, you're getting a lot for the price here, and the sound quality is also really good. It is able to provide a good sound stage. The sounds are rich and full, but it lacks bass. The 10mm drivers are not able to reproduce that much of bass. Like I recently reviewed the OnePlus Nord Buds. It has a 12mm drivers and the bass was so good, but it lacked other sound aspect. But the Realme Buds Air 3 has good overall sound quality. Bass is a bit low. There are 3 sound profiles in the companion app. Oh, by the way, this has support for Realme Link app. It's a companion app for Realme products, and that is supported here. And in that app, you can see 3 sound profiles. That is balanced, bright, and bass boost plus. So most people will be liking the bass boost plus profile. For me, at first the balanced profile was okay, but when I switched to the bass boost plus, I started enjoying that even more. That will give you the adequate amount of bass, still not bass heavy. Then the most impressive feature of this Realme Buds Air 3, it's the ANC. It's so good for the price. It really cuts off a lot of noise. It's not like you won't hear anything that's happening around you. You will hear things, but it cuts out a lot of noise for you, so that you won't have to increase the volume that much. But there is one bug that I noticed with the ANC feature. That is, at times, imagine this situation, like you are traveling, you are in a train or a bus in a window side seat, and a lot of wind is hitting you. You have the Realme Buds Air 3 on your ear, you're listening to music, and ANC is enabled. In this situation, the ANC will turn off. It will turn on again at random times, so you will feel that the surrounding noise just kicks in and goes away. So that is one bug I noticed. Like if you are using the Realme Buds Air 3 and if you have faced the same, please comment below. I'm not sure if this issue is with my unit alone. So if you are facing the same, just comment below. That is the only issue I found with the ANC. Apart from that, the ANC is really good for the price. Then there is transparency mode. It will just boost up the surrounding noises. It's not that sensitive, but it would still boost up some of the noises. Moving on to the next thing, call quality or mic quality. That is the most disappointing thing of this Realme Buds Air 3. The call quality actually is so terrible. I don't know why, but this is not reliable to take calls. Almost all TWs aren't that reliable to take calls. Like if you are someone who's serious into calls, then it's better you get at least neckband. The call quality here is really bad. Like I said, at times, when there is even the slightest noise in your surround, then the other person won't hear anything. But again, at times when there is a high noise also, the other person can hear us really clearly. So I don't know what's happening here. It just acts weird at times. And when I first got this, the call quality was unusable, and after that I got a few firmware updates. After the updates, the call quality started improving. But still, don't buy this if you want to take calls with this. Then, is it good for gaming? Well, I don't know. I haven't tried gaming on this, but it has Bluetooth 5.2, so that itself should cut down a lot of latency. Also, there is a dedicated gaming mode in the Realme Link app. For content consumption, this Realme Buds Air 3 is really good. I watched a lot of movies, no issues. Now, about the battery and charging of the Realme Buds Air 3, it is really good. I am totally satisfied with it. Like for my use case, I charge it like once a week or something. Anyway, the thing is I'm getting good battery backup. The company claims like 5.5 hours with ANC on, and I am getting above 5 with ANC on. And with ANC off, you can expect up to 7 hours of playback on the buds. And total, the buds and case can give you up to 30 hours of playback. Then about charging, 10 minutes of charging will get you like over 1 hour of playback. That's really good. And about the charging, it's usually like all the TWs out there. It will take you up to 1.5 to 2 hours to charge it from 0 to 100. But 10 minutes of charging will give you more than 1 hour of playback. That's really good. Other than all this and the ANC, there are some things in the Realme Buds Air 3 that you will appreciate, like dual device connection, in-ear detection. These kind of things are really useful, and one of my favorite thing is Google Passpair. As soon as you open the case, like in 3 seconds, it will get connected to your phone. So by the time you place the buds in your ear, it will be connected and you're ready for the call. So that is one thing I really appreciate in this Realme Buds Air 3. Then there is dual device connection. That is, you can connect your phone and laptop at the same time. And if you're watching something on the laptop and you get a message, notification, anything on your phone, then it will seamlessly switch to your phone and you can deal with that. That's a really nice feature, but also it gets annoying. Like in the same situation, you're watching something on your laptop and your phone makes any sort of noise, then whatever you are watching in the laptop will get paused and the audio will be switched to your phone. So that will get annoying at times. So yeah, that is it with the review. I want to make this video as short as possible, and there isn't much to talk about TWS these days. Anyways, if you found this video useful, then please drop a like and subscribe to my channel because I will be posting more videos like this. Thank you. Bye.